Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to change a drill bit. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this drill and I have a drill bit on the end of the drill. This is how you change the drill bit, okay? So first I need to explain the parts that you're gonna be working with. There's a part right here at the front of the drill, okay? If you turn this part right here, when the drill is not in motion, it's going to open or close, or I should say loosen or tighten these little teeth right here that are gripping the drill bit. So if I'm looking towards the front of the drill, look at the way that I'm looking at the drill, from the back of it towards the front. If I actually turn this clockwise, it's going to loosen those teeth. When I loosen the teeth, check this out, I'm turning it clockwise, I can remove the drill bit. Then I want to put in a new drill bit. Let's say I want this one. It's a little bit thicker, so I'm going to loosen it a bit more by turning this clockwise when I'm looking towards the front of the drill, okay? You're gonna place your new drill bit like that inside, okay? Then you're gonna turn this counterclockwise, and I'll show you a trick, so stay tuned. So turn this counterclockwise, okay? Make sure your drill bit is nice and straight, and you wanna tighten it up like that, really tighten it up. And now I've changed my drill bit. Just like that. The new one is installed. It's nice and straight. Really easy to use, really easy to do. So once again, you want to change the drill bit. When you're looking towards the front of the drill, you're going to be turning this clockwise. Turn this clockwise. I tightened it up a little too much. Turn it clockwise to loosen the teeth. Okay? When I'm looking towards the front, it's clockwise. Obviously it's going to be the opposite when you're looking at in the other direction. Remove the old drill bit. Put in your new drill bit, then you want to turn it counterclockwise to tighten it up. Make sure your drill bit is nice and straight. You see, if I tighten it right now, the drill bit is actually in between the teeth there. So what you want to do is make sure your drill bit is not in between the teeth and tighten it up, okay? You could do something like that. So you can hold it like that. And I'll show you another trick that really works really well, okay? So just like that, okay? Now, if you want to go to the advanced level, the next level, okay, you can actually use the power of the drill to change the drill bit, to loosen and tighten these teeth. So check this out. If I put the drill in reverse, I'm putting the drill in reverse, okay? I'm holding my hand, look at where I'm holding, over here. Not anywhere close to the drill bit, over here. My hand is over here, I'm getting a firm grip, and I'm gonna lightly push the drill lever to make it start turning in reverse, okay? So check that out. The drill is turning. I have my hand on this part right here, okay? Now look at what happened. Check that out. I actually loosened the teeth. Check out what's happening. I'm gonna hold this over here. In reverse, it loosens. I'm gonna put it in forward. In forward, I'm holding over here. Pay attention. In forward, check this out. It tightens the teeth. Look at that. Reverse, loosens, forward, tightens. Cool, eh? So if I go in reverse, let's say I want to put a drill bit in, okay? Check this out. Put the drill bit in like this. I'm putting it forward to tighten it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically hold the drill bit in place, but I'm going very slow with the drill. Check this out. Very slow while holding around there. Very slow. As soon as the drill bit starts to turn, I remove my hand. Hold over here now, tighten it up. If I want to loosen, put it in reverse. Done. Just like that. Very easy. It's very important though, when you're tightening it, you see how I'm holding the drill bit with my two fingers and the rest of my hand goes on the rest of the drill over here? It's very important. I'm going very slow. And as soon as that drill bit starts turning, I remove my hand. Once again, okay? As soon as that drill bit starts turning, check it out. Remove your hand and go very slow, okay? That's it. That is how to change a drill bit, an easy tutorial with a simple bonus trick at the end. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.